welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm T.
And I'm Charlie, behind the camera again today.
And if you're not new here, it's great to have you back. We are back again with a room tour. So we're still in Vegas. We've checked into New York, and we are staying in a Soho 2-bed queen room.
2 queen room, that's it.
Almost,
Pretty much.
with a strip view.
With a strip view, yes, exactly.
So we thought, as always, let's give you a room tour and yeah, just show you around our room.
Let's go.
Where should we start? So, obviously, we've got the front door. No, this is very important to know. We've got a lock on this door. A lot of the different hotels have different types of locking mechanisms, so it's actually important to know that you can lock this door the conventional way. To our immediate left, we have the bathroom.
All right.
You're right. We have the bathroom. So we've got a magnified mirror over here. We've got hand wash, body lotion. We do have one sink, quite a small sink, but a lot of space by the sink area. We've got this lovely well-lit mirror. I love this sign, open 24/7.
I'm not sure what is open 24/7.
Yeah.
Does look cool.
Immediately here we have the toilet. So I'm not too sure about the toilet being right next to where you're getting ready. Bit of a weird positioning, but toilet nonetheless. If you come further in, I think this is the lightest this gets in here, is it?
Yeah, it does seem like that. Yeah. We have the lights here, that 1, 2 lights, and then the light above the mirror behind us.
Yeah, so this is the shower. Got a lovely little place for you to put some of your bits. It does come with shampoo and body wash. And it is a decent size to get into the tub, to be fair.
And it has a plug, which is important because not all the hotels we stayed in Vegas has a plug. So if you do want a shower or a bath, you can. So
Charlie normally tests the water. Are you testing it?
No, you're testing it today. There we go.
Oh, you have to.
There we go.
Okay. Are you going off now?
Panic over. It's still running though.
How do you actually turn it on? Okay,
There
so
we
it takes
go.
a while to switch off, but this is why Charlie normally does it.
Panic over. But we tested the shower for you. It was very loud.
Good pressure as well.
Very loud. Good pressure. Just takes a bit of a nap by the looks of it, but that's also because you were trying really hard not to get wet. Right?
Yeah.
So, nice bathroom. Not massive, but I think for similar hotels in this price range like MGM, it's similar sort of size, wasn't it?
Yes. So if you follow me this way, we've got these really cool, I'm guessing these are coat hangers.
Yeah.
But they're very quirky, really like this, and the wallpaper. Further. We have this dresser, got a lot of space. So in here you would expect to see a fridge normally, but we don't actually have one.
So we're not sure if that's just our room or whether that's a standard, but no fridge at all in this room. No minibar,
Yeah.
no fridge.
Well, I mean, just in case they bring something, we've got this little champagne bucket. But yeah, you've got your usual blow dryer and stuff down there. We've got 2 beds, of course. They look very comfy. Of course, we're going to save the usual...
Jumping on them for the end.
the usual last bit for Charlie. We've got really deep sized drawers. Very decent sized drawers. 4 of them, if you can see that. Further in, we've got 3 hangers. We've got 4, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. We've got 7 hangers, so you know you're gonna have to rock paper scissors
Fight a little bit over
to have it to see who gets what. But yeah, just some drawers, and the important thing, we have a safe.
And that's actually a really big safe. That goes back far. So we've got a laptop bag in there, and it's still got loads of room. So very good safe, I think.
So just yeah, pretty good size safe, and also the location of the safe. I actually prefer it when it's on a shelf and not inside a drawer. So yes, we've got the phone in the middle, just in case. You've got some outlets here. I always find these really important to have next to the beds, and you'll be surprised at how many resorts don't have them directly next to the bed.
And it looks like you have the USB charger as well as the standard chargers.
Yeah, so this side we've got 2 seats. This lamp does turn on. And then we've got the view. So with this, it is one you move along.
Struggling.
And there's 2. So, well, these are heavy duty blackout ones. Okay, so you have the share one and then you have the blackout one. And then of course we have the strip view, which is looking lovely. And it adds a lot of light into the room, which is really nice. And then next to the window, we have the air conditioning unit. So pretty simple, pretty standard like the rest of them. You have degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. Oops, I just turned it on. But your temperature control is just here.
Perfect. So spin around and have a quick look at the room. Very nice. There we go. Passing it over. Switching round, which means one thing, and one thing only. My favourite part of the room tour. I get to test out
The bed.
So, which one would you like me to jump on?
This one.
This one here. Right, let's see how this goes. Oh, that is nice. I like that.
It was a bit of a plump up.
It's a little firm, but it's nice. I liked it. Oh,
Glasses.
I'm just going to stay here.
Can I join you?
And the pillows, let's have just a quick check. Very nice. Although 3 pillows, so if you like someone, if you're 2 people sleeping on the same bed that like 2 pillows each, you could be fine over them.
That's true, because usually there's a spare pillow. Was there a spare pillow when I opened up that closet or not?
No, there's not. But I guess they're probably working on the basis that a lot of people aren't using, there's not often 4 people in the room, right? So you've got spare pillows. So yeah, let's spin it round. Let's put it up here. So our thoughts on the room. For me, I really like it. I'm getting a very good vibe from it straight away. It's got a very nice, I want to say theme, but I don't know if theme's the word. Is it style?
Is. It's pretty quirky and like, what's that word? Edgy?
Edgy. Yeah, it's like, you've got almost like graffiti styling across the wall. Like it's distinct. I think some of the other hotels we've stayed at in this price bracket are more just like generic hotel rooms, whereas this has a style, right? In this price bracket, I think this looks very fresh and clean. I'm actually a big fan of like first impressions so far.
So I like the type of room that we've gone for because it's got a lot of light. Yeah, there's a lot of light coming in from the different ends. We'll see what it's like at night time, because at night time is a true test of where the light is coming in from.
Yeah. And I think it's going to look, what I think is going to look really cool is I really like MGM lit up at night, and we have it like literally across the from us outside our room. So I think that's going to look so cool. We'll try and get a little clip of that and show you if we can in this or in one of our vlogs. So.
One thing I've just noticed, there are absolutely no light bulbs on this whole ceiling. It's just in the walkway, so it might be a very dark evening, but we'll show.
Yeah, that's true, because it feels so light because it's got so many windows.
Yeah.
But you've just literally got that light there, right?
And then the 2 lamps.
And the 2 at the far end.
There's
No,
all the 2 lamps.
Yeah, exactly. So you've got 2 lamps in the room. From first impressions, we're liking the look of this, right? Just fresh, clean, modern. Just what you need, really, especially at this price point. Relatively central on the strip. I'm a big fan so far.
The carpet does actually look very clean.
It does look clean. It looks fresh.
It looks new. For anyone that is interested, we do get asked whether the windows open. Because we are on the 33rd floor, our windows do not open.
No, definitely don't open. So there you go. Hopefully you've got a good look at the room. You've seen it, how we see it. Really fresh. Definitely worth checking out.
First impressions.
First impressions. Definitely worth checking out. But that's it for us on this room tour. We will catch you very soon.
Bye.
See ya.